guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my Jamaican black Christmas cake or fruit cake or black cake, whichever one you want to call it. So this is a Jamaican recipe, and this is the recipe that I used last year, and I'll be using it this year again. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So these are all the ingredients that I'm using. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine the butter. I'm going to use soft margarine. So the first thing I'm going to do is combine 1 cup of margarine with 1 pound of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Good enough. So I'm going to start off on low speed and gradually move on to a higher speed. I'm going to do this until it is combined properly and it is light and fluffy. This is what I have. I'm going to gradually beat in the eggs. I have 4 eggs and some vanilla flavoring and mixture of rose water and almond essence. I'm going to use a spoon to scrape the sides because I want everything to get mixed in it. also add in some grated vanilla zest to cut the rawness, because you know that I'm using 4 eggs, so it's going to be a bit raw. I'm going to go ahead and add my fruit mixture. So it's been soaking since November. I have raisins, mixed fruit peel, and cherries in it. So I'm going to add that, the flour, and my liquids in there. So these are the liquids that I'm using. And I'll also be using some browning. I went ahead and combined my dry ingredients already. I have baking soda, baking powder, flour. I'm using counter flour. I also have mixed spice for baking and nutmeg in there. So I'll put the measurements in the description box, so you can head there to see the measurements of everything that I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this manually. So remember to add your ingredients in portions. I'm going to mix in a cut and fold motion. So this will ensure that all the ingredients are properly incorporated. And this is getting brown already, and I did not put any browning in there as yet. I use a lot of raisins to soak my fruit. Remember to use a cut and fold motion. You can go ahead and use your mixer if you want, but I prefer to do this part manually. This smells really good. So the lumps that you are seeing is the fruit chunks. I did not blend mine out smoothly because I like when it has a little chunk in it. I'm going to go ahead and add the last of the fruits now. And then also adding a little more rum. And ginger wine. I'm also going to add some more browning. So it's finally getting the color that I want. This browning don't have any use, miracle browning, so I had to go for my Eve browning. Look at the difference in the consistency of the browning. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer the mixture into my baking tins. I'm going to use some 9-inch baking tins. I'm using the aluminum foil ones. So stay tuned and I'll show you when I'm putting it in the oven. So only 2 can hold in the oven, so I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 40 minutes and check back on it. So the cakes are not done as yet. You can see the jiggle when I move it, so that way I know that it's not done as yet. I'm going to give it some more time. I checked this one already. It's done baking. Finish baking, looks soft. That one is done baking also.